always have an exit strategy. Kan? So kalau ada exit strategy, when we see kadang-kadang kita dah boleh predict. Kita dah boleh tengok anak kita dah, oh okay, he's in this situation, okay, I think, okay, he or she is heading in a direction of a tantrum that's going to lead to a meltdown. So always have an exit strategy. I still do it. Yeah? I still do it today.
Exit strategy is one big way of prevention.
Yes, that's a really big way. So for me, why the exit strategy is important is saya tidak mahu Hans mengalami ketidakselesaan sampai tahap sebegitulah. So for me, I feel his comfort is more important than the risk of him getting into it's not so much the embarrassment. I know some of us feel, oh, nanti malu lah kalau dia meltdown, kalau dia jerit. No, for me is and it's not wrong to feel that. It's okay. I know some people the malu bit is a big thing, which is fine. Tapi for me personally, it's the don't want Hans to be in that situation lah. So memang sanggup to have exit strategy.
Yeah.